Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Data.
What does the dictionary say?
Individual facts, statistics, or items of information.
Math rap.
Is this the thought that has ever occurred when you gather together facts, numbers, or words? Observations, measurements, or things on a plate? All of those things are collections of data.
Math rap.
What did the math teacher say after a long lesson on this exact math term? Data teach them the facts you gather. Explain data in your own words. Collect some food data from your classmates. Pizza, burgers, or sushi? What kind of data do smartphones collect? Why? What kind of data should you collect before choosing a career? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!